Hi everyone, how are you? My name is Somporn. I'm start to do the diamond painting. It's very new for me, so today I'm going to unbox. The first I do already two kit from Diamond Art Club, and this is the third one for me. This from Aurora. So this one is the Japan tea room. I already pull out everything from the box. So this I order take about 6 weeks to come to US. I live in US right now, so I going to show you what's in the box. I want you to see this one I ordered. There you go. It's Japan room. It's so pretty, very pretty. And this is the deal. The deal is have 2 pack. So pretty. I'm sorry if I'm not good about the review because I'm very new. They come sticker sheets with the symbol. It's 89.8 by 64 centimeter. Aurora. It take long time to come to the US, but it's so beautiful. I'm gonna kit up today, and I cannot wait to start. They come with the tool, I think, in the box. So if you know painting, diamond painting, so you know the tool is the same. This is my third to do this. The canvas come in the plastic. They're very nice packing. And this one is the tool. They have everything in here. So I'm going to start the kit up today. Let's see. They have the washi tape. Cool. And the wax. And the pen and the tray. Ooh, very sharp, very nice. I love it. Have a lot of wax. This is the pen. I'm not going to use because I have my own. And they have a sticker. Cute sticker. Oh, I love the color. Wow. I like it. So cute. So now I'm going to kit it up. Yay. Let's see. And I will update as soon as I can start. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.